Okay, radiator is ready to go in. There were some flaps transferred from the old radiator. This is where the transmission lines go through to the transmission cooler. This side's the air conditioning lines, and there's a couple of little rubber bushings that go down into these holes here. And it's kind of a tight fit. You have to wiggle this air conditioning assembly and kind of tweak it a little bit to get this bracket to clear, to get this down here and get this hose by. So it's a little bit of a trouble, but it can get in there. Just take it slow.